Hello, and thanks so much for joining me. Brett Aroneck here. I want to thank you for joining us for our monthly newsletter. You're going to find some great new opportunities and properties coming up in this email, so I'd ask that you take a look below. But before I can do that, I do want to say thanks so much to all of our clients and customers that made last month such a great month. Anything we can do to help you, please reach out. Of course, the entire team at the Aroneck Group is always available to help you in your real estate needs, and we look forward to helping you this month. So enjoy and let us know what we can do for you. Take care.
Hey guys, Cajun Holland here with the Aroneck Group. Welcome to your 2025 September newsletter. We got 2 properties currently listed, one in Amelia Woods and one in the Preserve on Whistling Duck. We have 2 properties coming live here soon. It's one in Marsh Lakes and here currently in Amelia Walk. Then we have something coming to you in our pipeline in Gulfside. As always, if you guys have any questions, please reach out and have a great month.